Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Kyle with BISH'S RV in Junction City, Oregon. Today I'm going to show you this 2022 Jayco Pinnacle 36 SSWS. If you like any features about this or find this video informative, please feel free to like and subscribe right now. Go ahead and take a... It's really sunny out here, so that's awesome. Right here on the front, you got a place for your batteries and as well as for a generator on the outside, which is pretty cool. Right here, we can also see this pass-through storage, pretty oversized basement we got here. We also got the vacuum system as well as the solar charge controller, because this does come equipped with a 190-watt solar panel, which is the greatest thing for your batteries, that is. On the outside, we got an exterior TV, so if you wanted to hang out with the family outside and watch some TV and watch the game, you totally can as well. That's a really, really cool feature that they've got on here. Come on in here. This is warranted for full-time RVing. So if it's something that you want a full-time RV in, the warranty is great for that. And Jayco is really known for their warranties as well. So come on inside, check out this floor plan. This one is really nice. We got the nice solid surface countertops with the Corian, really quality stuff. We also got this farmhouse sink, which is pretty deep. And then you also got the spray nozzle, so when you're doing dishes you can move that around. You also got the 4-burner stove cooktop as well as the convection and microwave oven. That's really cool, and this is not the small one, this is actually the oversized one. And you also have an oversized oven too, which can fit a turkey, which is great space. And you got a lot of chances for storage right here, guys. You're not gonna have any problem with that. If you're going on longer camping trips or full-time living in this, this is the thing for you, okay? You also got the double door refrigerator, which is gas and electric. Really nice size. Like I said, for a longer camping trip or a full-time RV experience, this is the one that you want for sure. It's really accommodating. Let's go to the back of the coach here. Oh, I forgot to mention the pantry here, which comes with automatic lighting too, so you can actually see what you're getting at the end of the night. In the back here is the entertainment room. We got 2 theater seats, the nice Stacy Stewart collection there. You also got this nice long sofa here with some nightstands on the side, and these do open for more storage. So if you wanted to put more stuff back there, or if you wanted to charge your phones, tablets, or anything like that, you got USB ports and 110 plugins. You got the really cool TV, nice size. This is electrical, so you can go down if you wanted to hide the TV, which is a really nice feature. You got some storage on the top there as well, and it's all automatic, you see? And it's got that window behind it, so you can still feel like the outdoor experience. You got the radio right there, as well as the really nice fireplace there, which puts out a lot of heat if you want it. Okay, you got on that side over here, you also got this dinette here with 2 different chairs. And let's see, it does come with an extender as well. So if you wanted to fit up to 4 people, you totally can host a lot of people here. There's some storage on the side as well. And if you wanted to, you can put some stuff for decoration right there on that shelf and counter. And then all of these shades here, they actually have the nice day and night shades. And then we also have the blackout curtains as well. So if you wanted to have some privacy, or if you just wanted to have the shade out, you can do that as well. Come and take a look here at some of these cupboards. Nice little coat rack there. You also got the one-touch controller, so if you want to control your lights or your leveling jacks, this is the system that you're going to use right up here, okay? Which is really convenient. And you also got a remote here to control the fan if you wanted. Really nice coach, guys. The cabinetry is really nice, and I like the just kind of the clear glass here, where it's not like there's no designs in it. You can actually see what's in there. And so really nice space that you got right over here and down there as well. Let's come on in the front of the coach with the bathroom. Come and check out this bathroom right here. It's really nice, very modern look. You got a nice little shower, nice square shower, and you also got this large size mirror. So If you wanted to, you can put all your makeup right there, put all the things that you need to get ready for the day, just right on the sides there. Really nice consistency. You also got this closet storage here, which you're probably gonna have to pan around. It is prepped for a washer and dryer. It looks like a combo one would fit right here. And then you also got some storage on the top as well. Okay. Then it's got a really nice door too, so if you wanted more privacy, you can, but we're not gonna be private right now. We're gonna show everything. So come on inside to the bedroom. This is a really nice one. So this one's a slide within a slide, and it's an east to west bed, okay? So you got a lot of space to move around the bed, and it just feels so roomy in here. I mean, look at it. You even got a couch. Like, where have you ever seen that one, right? Come on over to this side. You can see some storage closets here. Okay, really nice for your wardrobe. Then you also got some more stuff down here with more storage. And you even got a fireplace in your room too. First time I really seen that has two different fireplaces, one in the living room and now one in the bedroom. So this one's really, really top of the line. And you also got really nice cabinetry we got going on here. It's really, really solid. And you also got the Insignia TV, which is what matters, right? You also got this window here, and then the king size bed. Okay, a lot of pillows on there, really nice decorations we got over here. But if you needed a big size bed, this is what you want, okay? Like I said, they're warrantying it for full-time living, so this is honestly the top of the line, as good as it gets. Then, as you can see, there's more storage on the bottom, and it did bear all of the weight, so I barely pushed on it to go up because it's got those springs, which is really nice. So for the people that are a little bit not as strong, you don't have to worry about pushing this down or lifting it up because it does it for you. And then come around here, Gary, we're gonna show them the front with the couch. This one's, like I said, it's a really unique floor plan because they got the couch right here. So if you wanted to relax, hang out with a couple friends in the bedroom, you can do that. You also got this very front window, which is really, really amazing. So while you're chilling here on the couch or laying in bed, you can see out front of your fifth wheel, which is super, super nice. And it even has shades too. The blackout shade, which is a really, really nice feature if you wanted some privacy. Guys, if you like this coach or any of the coaches that, or any feature about this, feel free to call me, okay? My name is Kyle. You can call me at 541-799-8794. I would love to help you. Like and subscribe, and happy camping, y'all.